Hi. I am RC Bustamante, your math hero, and I will be your guide throughout this lesson. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to: Number 1. Identify equations whether quadratic or not. Number 2. Rewrite quadratic equations to its standard form. Are you now ready? Let's begin. Below are different equations. Use these equations to answer the questions that follow. 1. Which of the given equations are linear? 2. Which of the given equations are not linear? Please take time to answer. Let us check your answers. 1. Which of the given equations are linear? Here are the answers. 2. Which of the given equations are not linear? Here are the answers. I know that you answered this perfectly because you already finished the lesson in your previous grade. How about the given equations that are not linear? Well, let's find out. Which of the given equations are not linear? Why? How are these equations different from those which are linear? What common characteristics do these equations have? You will find these out in the activities in the next section. Before doing the next activities, read and understand first some important notes on equations that are not linear and what type of equations are they. Here we go. A quadratic equation in one variable is a mathematical sentence of degree 2 that can be written in the following standard form: ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Why do you think a must not be equal to 0 in the equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0? If a equals 0, then the equation is a linear equation. Moving on. In the equation, ax squared is the quadratic term, bx is the linear term, and c is the constant term, where x represents a variable or an unknown. Study and understand carefully the following examples. Example 1. 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals 0 is a quadratic equation in standard form with a equals 2, b equals 5, and c equals negative 3. Focus on the next example, it's quite different. Example 2. 3x times the quantity x minus 2 equals 10 is a quadratic equation. However, it is not written in standard form. To write the equation in standard form, expand the product and make one side of the equation 0 as shown below. 3x times the quantity x minus 2 equals 10 will become 3x squared minus 6x equals 10. 3x squared minus 6x minus 10 equals 10 minus 10. 3x squared minus 6x minus 10 equals 0. The equation becomes 3x squared minus 6x minus 10 equals 0, which is in standard form. In the equation 3x squared minus 6x minus 10 equals 0, a equals 3, b equals negative 6, and c equals negative 10. Moving on to the next example. Example 3. The quantity 2x plus 5 times the quantity x minus 1 equals negative 6 is also a quadratic equation, but it is not written in standard form. Just like in example number 2, the equation the quantity 2x plus 5 times the quantity x minus 1 equals negative 6 can be written in standard form, by expanding the product and making one side of the equation 0 as shown at the right. The quantity 2x plus 5 times the quantity x minus 1 equals negative 6 will become 2x squared minus 2x plus 5x minus 5 equals negative 6. 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 equals negative 6. 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 plus 6 equals negative 6 plus 6. 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 equals 0. Just continue. The equation becomes 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 equals 0, which is in standard form. In the equation 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 equals 0, a equals 2, b equals 3, and c equals 1. Remember this? When b equals 0 in the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, it results to a quadratic equation of the form ax squared plus c equals 0. Example number 4. Equations such as x squared plus 5 equals 0, negative 2x squared plus 7 equals 0, and 16x squared minus 9 equals 0 are quadratic equations of the form ax squared plus c equals 0. In each equation, the value of b equals 0. Great job! It is now your turn to accomplish the following activity. Activity A, quadratic or not quadratic. Identify which of the following equations are quadratic and which are not. Write each quadratic equation in standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, then identify the values of a, b, and c. Activity B, set me to your standard. Give yourself a time to accomplish the activities. Go, go, go. Pause for a while to give time in accomplishing the activity. If you're done with your answers, proceed to the next slide for the key answer. Always remember that honesty is the best policy. Good luck. Congratulations!